Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, we will help you understand how you can use the notification feature on the BotPenguin and what are the features that you get under that notifications settings. So let's get started. First of all, you simply have to log into the BotPenguin dashboard. Once you are logged in, you simply have to click on this more option, and once you click on this more option, underneath this setup tab you will find the notification option. So let's talk about the notification settings first. In this you get three options: user message, live request, and new lead. So let's talk about three of them one by one. So under the user message tab, you can select from here whether you want to see the assigned message or you want to see the message of all user. All right, and from here you can turn on the toggle for desktop notification and mobile push notification. Once you turn it on, you will be getting those notification on your mobile and on your desktop. Next is the live chat request. So if any of the user is requesting for the live chat, if you have turned on these two push buttons, so automatically you will get a notification for the live chat as well. And last we have this new lead. So if any new lead is coming up onto your account, so you can turn that toggle from here and you will surely receive a notification for the same. So these are the three things that we get on the notification settings. And last is this notification, like just a journal notification, where you will be able to see all the notification that you have received on your account, and you will be able to check it from here. And last and the foremost thing, on your account you will find this go online toggle. If this toggle is off, you will not be receiving any notification. And if you turn on this toggle, you will start receiving the notifications of the live chat, leads, anything that's available on your system. That's all about this particular section. If you have any question, you can simply reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We'll surely help you with your queries. Thank you so much for choosing BotPenguin.